Hey guys, welcome to YouTube for Broke People, and today we got a really good deal, an amazing deal. You're gonna save £70. Can you see here? It was £100. It's come down to 29.99, and so a saving of £70. And it comes in different colors: black, cream. Oh, let me just go. Okay, purple. Nice and feminine, or red. Okay, and it's got a 2 years guarantee included. 36 liters types of coffee. Sorry, 36 types of coffee, hot drink pods available. Zero point 0.7 liters, 3.3 bar pressure, auto shut off. So if you're looking for a quick fix for your early mornings and you want to like a Costa style, Starbucks style coffee or quality wise, why not get this? Invest £30 in it. As I said, it's come down from £100. I myself, I'm in two minds. I'm thinking of actually getting this. So it's Tassimo by Bosch Happy Tas 1002 GB coffee machine in black. This is in PC World. Let's just show you some of the pictures. So it looks like a really nice little device. Especially as I said, or you can make it small cup, big cup. I'm actually kind of like a nice hot chocolate coffee tea guy, so I don't mind having this in the morning. I think I'm definitely thinking of getting this. It's only £30. Even though £30 is a lot, but I'm just saying if you're going to say Starbucks every day, that's about £3.50 to £4 per drink. So 10 of them, you've literally paid off this machine. So I'm gonna try it, and obviously the pods you buy separately, they do cost a bit, but in the long term you save on a heck of a lot. Again, go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with YouTube for Broke People.